Hey everybody, this is Ryan KC9OZA, and I was just going to do a quick unboxing video. I received my Shark RF Openspot 2 today, and I was just going to do a quick unboxing video. If there's anything in a future video review that I'm going to do, hopefully this week, leave it in the comments and I'll try to cover it in the video. So here, get a box, Openspot 2. Covers DMR, D-Star, System Fusion, NXDN, P25, and POCSAG. So we open it up. You have the Openspot 2. Very thin, small. You have padding, some stickers. And then you also have your power connections. You have your wall wart, which it's already configured for the US. And then you have your short USB to the newer USB-C, I believe it is, style. And that's all you get in the box. The manual is online, so I will download it. I'll have it in the video. So if there's anything that you guys would like me to review whenever I do the review, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to it. I'm excited to try out the new hotspot. I've never had a Shark RF. I've had the Blue DV and the several different flavors of the DVM Pi-Star hotspots, but excited to use this. So thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and 73s.